What's going on, everyone? Sri Kanasa here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can become more profitable in anything you start, whether it be Shopify, dropshipping, or any other business that you're thinking of getting into. So don't forget to hit that like button if you guys are finding value in these videos, subscribe to stay up to date with them, and let's just begin. So the very first thing before anything else is the mindset, and that's why it's number one on my list. You need to have the right mindset in order to be successful in anything that you do and get profit from it. Our brain is a very complicated thing and it affects a lot of our performance. So if you have a negative mindset, it's going to affect you deeply. And no matter how hard you try, if you don't have the right mindset, you're either going to end up losing a lot of money in the business or end up giving up. And this is why it's so important to prepare your mindset before anything else. And one thing you can do to change your mindset is change your thinking from I'm losing money to I'm investing money. Because after all, that's what you're doing in business. You're investing your money. You shouldn't try to invest so much money that you end up broke at the end if it doesn't go well. So plan your investments out and change your thinking into basically reminding yourself that you're investing the money rather than losing it. And you will end up getting much more motivation and have more persistence in continuing the business. You also want to be prepared to struggle and fail, but still end up getting back up and hitting the ground running as fast as you can. You guys want to be failing hard and fast and learning from those failures. Don't just fail and then end up quitting overall. You don't want to be a quitter. You want to be someone who falls but then gets back up. It's just like when you were first beginning to learn how to ride a bike. You would fall multiple times and even get bruises sometimes, but in the end, you would get back up on that bike and start again. And this is exactly what you can apply in business, whether it be Shopify, dropshipping, or anything else. Struggle, fail fast, but then be sure to get back up, because once you're on the ground and you don't persist hard enough, you're going to stay on that ground forever. And we only have one life to do what we want. So get back up and keep on striving. There's hundreds of ways to get money out there if you do end up losing a lot. Work on the side if you have to, but always get back up and hit the ground running. Number 2 on my list is knowledge. You want to invest time into getting valuable information regarding your business or whatever you're into. And some examples of getting knowledge would be through YouTube, such as this YouTube video you're currently watching, or mentors. I offer mentoring if you're really interested with that. Just leave a comment down below or contact me on Instagram. But you also want to be joining Facebook groups. There's tons of Facebook groups for all kinds of businesses. There's Facebook groups for Shopify dropshipping, there's Facebook groups for cryptocurrency, and even real estate investing. So you want to join a group with like-minded individuals and learn from them and basically network with each other. And the fourth and most important thing is books. You want to also invest some of your money and time into informative books, because books will take you far. And the third and final thing on my list is capital. You want to basically save up some extra money and don't rely on one type of income source. Because if whatever you're pursuing ends up not getting successful, you don't want that to be the end of your life. You want to have some extra money on the side for all types of emergencies that come up. Basically be prepared for the worst. So this was just a quick video on how you can be profitable in anything you start. I know I've been doing a lot of how-to videos, but let me know down below if you guys are enjoying these motivational videos and what kind of stuff you can do with your mindset. And I'll be sure to make more of these videos. But thank you for watching. Hit that like button if you guys found value in this video, and I'll see you guys next time.